Hello, and this is Donna with Thread Treasures Embroidery. I'd had some other videos about creating a custom thread color chart for Embird that only contains the threads that I have, and it's a mixture of marathon, their polyester, their rayon, there's some Floriani, there's some Metro Classic, there's some Metro Pro brand, and I thought, I do most of my digitizing in Hatch now, so I figured that I would go ahead and um, make the file or make me a excuse me for that, make me a custom color chart just for Hatch. So as I showed you how to do one to where like you would put in the Metro chart that didn't come with Hatch. So I'm actually going to import or create one for my color chart here. So manage thread charts under software settings, and we are going to do a create and give it a chart name, and I'm going to call it Donna because that's I'll be able to find it and remember it that way. And okay, so right now it is created, but there's nothing in it. So I'm going to close this out right now, and I have already taken my one that I have for my Embird, and I've already made the modification to have the comma A in there before the RGB values, and the RGB values can only go up to 255, just so that you're aware. That's just the way it is. But anyway, so now I have this file that is ready to be dropped in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a Control A and select everything and do a copy. I'm going to go over to my where my Wilcom Hatch is installed into the res directory, which right now you will see there's a Donna TCH file, and it has nothing in it. So we're going to edit this thing, and I'm just going to paste everything in there, and I'm going to do a close or save, and I'll close this, and now you can see that there is 19 kilobytes in that file. So I'm going to close this out right now and close this, so that when I go into manage thread charts now, all of a sudden Donna has everything in there. There's my rayons, my marathon polyesters, the Floriani, the Metro, and the few Metro Pro that I have. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm actually going to change my default, which I had it set as marathon polyester because it's a main thread that I use. But I am going to now put Donna over there, and as you watch, you'll see that it changed to my new thread chart, and it's got the marathon polyesters, the rayons, the Metros, the Floriani. I'm sure if I go down far enough I'll be able to find a Metro Pro. It might be kind of hard because I only have a couple of them. There's a Metro Pro. So that's just a way that you can customize the Hatch software to work with you and with the materials that you have on hand. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Talk to you later. Bye.